Fritzing has 3 different working views that you can work on: breadboard, schematic, and PCB. However, for this module, you only need to know schematic and perhaps breadboard if you are interested. For schematics, you can work on both breadboard and schematics. However, it is easier to work on the schematic first. So let's start by putting in some element to the schematic. Let's go to parts, and you can see there are different libraries which are called bins in Fritzing. Let's drag and drop a resistor to the schematic and also a capacitor. You can rotate this component from the menu, right-click menu, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+R. When you place the mouse over the end of the terminal, you can see this wiring icon. With this icon, you can connect wires from one component to the other by holding down the left button of the mouse. Release. Let's add in other components. The ground from the core library, the VCC. Let's also put a LED as an output. Let's build a very simple RC circuit. One thing to take note of is that when you place 2 components with terminal touching each other, they are in fact not connected to each other. You always need a wire to connect from one component to the other. Let's connect the power. If you try to connect a wire from this point to hit this terminal, you will end up dragging the wire. This is because you do not have the wiring tool at this point. To access the wiring tool, you need to press down the Alt button on the keyboard. Now you can see the wiring tool. With this tool, you can connect wire from. With the Alt key pressed down, you can connect wire from this point to this terminal. The big dark circle indicate interconnection, while a small circle indicate a bend in the wire. Now we have a very simple RC circuit, and you can go to File, Export as Image tools, export as image, and put the schematic onto your report. You can export around the different libraries here, but probably you are using only the core libraries. You can also add ICs, and the connection is similar to what we did just now. In the next video, I will teach you how you can create customized IC.